This person made $8,000 last month, selling children's books they never wrote. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. Type a prompt. In 60 seconds, you have a full 30-page children's story. Pick a niche that sells. Dinosaurs, bedtime stories, alphabet books. These categories make millions on Amazon every year. Your prompt is everything. Tell the AI the character, the lesson, and the age group. The more specific, the better the book. Now the illustrations. Use an AI image tool, Midjourney, Ideogram, whatever you like. Consistent style, every single page. Pair each page of text with an illustration. 30 pages. Done. You now have a complete publishable children's book. Format it in Canva or Google Docs. Set your margins. Export as a PDF. That's your interior file, ready to upload. And here's the best part. It costs you nothing to publish. $0. Amazon prints the book only when someone buys it. Every sale pays you up to 70% royalty. On a $10 book, that's $7 straight to you. One book is a start. 10 books is a business. The people making real money have 20, 30 titles, all working while they sleep. Build energy across this line. Peak at while they sleep. Keywords are your secret weapon. Use the right search terms in your title and description, and Amazon does the marketing for you. On its own. Day or night. You could wake up tomorrow with notifications you earned money while you slept. Save this video right now. I'm dropping the full step-by-step tutorial in my next post.